I am Karunanidhi. Age is 65 years. Staying last 40 years in Bangalore. I am having wheezing problem since 1989. At the age of 39, started my wheezing problem since I had to work AC air conditioning environment in my office. That is not suit for my health. I need to admit so many times, nearly more than 25 to 30 times in hospitalization because I've taken care of my wheezing and other complications, lungs problem. And I'm taking all the time steroid and other nebulizer support as well as nebulizer also I'm taking, and tablets, everything I'm taking. Since 2015, August, I'm taking the treatment continuously. Several times need to admit in hospital, especially wheezing problem. And finally, Times of India through I came to know the Respi Care on salt room therapy there. I meet Indiranagar of salt room, this Respi Care office. They started my treatment around 5 sessions. 5 sessions I got a lot of improvement. Meantime, I need to go to abroad, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur with my family to visit tourist as a tourist. And every time I used to carry my nebulizer unit because of my wheezing problem, environment not suit for me. There, the nebulizer, whatever carrying medicine also, a special nebulizer and other thing, I need not to use it. Because of the salt room therapy is suit for me. I have a lot of relief. After finish my trip, I come back to India and I am staying last 10 days and taking that treatment finished 10 hours session. And 90%, more than 90%, I improved my wheezing problem. I feel normal and comfortable. I can able to walk, I can able to climb steps up and down. I am so thanks to Respi Care.
Respi Care, first time in Karnataka with 100% natural and drug-free without any side effects for all ages like asthma, allergy, wheezing, sinusitis and skin diseases. For details, call 959 000 8899 or visit respicareindia.com.